Hello students, welcome back to my channel. I think this is useful for your 10th standard science. See, in the previous classes we have studied about some of the chemical reactions and examples of chemical reactions and how to balance chemical equations. Okay, now in today's class we are going to learn types of chemical reactions. Okay, in your textbook they are given mainly four types of chemical reactions, that is types of chemical reactions. Okay, first one combination reaction, second one decomposition reaction, third one displacement reaction, and fourth one double displacement reaction. Okay, now we are going to learn one by one. Okay, first one is combination reaction. Okay, what is combination? See, to better understanding to about this topic, they are given one activity here. See, take a small amount of calcium oxide or quicklime in a beaker. What we need to take? We need to take a small amount of calcium oxide and quicklime in a beaker. Okay. Calcium oxide, what is the formula? CaO is the formula for calcium oxide. What is another name of calcium oxide is quicklime. For that we need to add water. Okay, when we touch the beaker, we can feel warm. Okay, do you feel any change in temperature? Yes, we can feel warm. Okay, see, observe this one. We know that this is a beaker. Okay, we need to take a beaker, add small quantity of calcium oxide. What we need to add inside the beaker, that is calcium oxide inside the beaker. To this we need to add little bit of water. Okay, before when we touch the beaker, it can be very cool. Okay, when we are going to add calcium oxide and water, after when we are going to touch the beaker, we can feel warmer. Okay, this is the best example for combination reaction. Okay, and last class we came to know about for how we are going to balance the chemical equation. See, for example, calcium oxide. What is the another name for calcium oxide is quicklime. Okay, what is the another name? That is quicklime or calcium oxide. Okay, in the form of solid we take, and water in the form of liquid. And how many atoms of hydrogen we are taken here? That is 2. Water molecule is made up of H2 and O. And what is the product we get? That is calcium hydroxide. Okay, CaOH2 means calcium hydroxide. Okay, that is what is another name for calcium hydroxide is slaked lime. And heat also we can observe. See, this is the one of the best example for combination reaction. Now observe here, how many reactants are there in this reaction? There is two reactants, that is calcium oxide and hydrogen, right? See, this is one reactant and this is one more reactant. See, after one reactant we placed plus sign. It indicates there is one more reactant also present in this reaction. After that we are inserting arrow here. It indicates product. Okay, after the arrow we are going to write the product here, that is calcium hydroxide. That is 2 molecules of calcium hydroxide is a product. Okay, now in this reaction we know that calcium hydroxide and water is the reactant and the product is a calcium hydroxide is a product, and heat also liberated. See, already I told we need to take a beaker, empty beaker, and add calcium oxide to the beaker and add little quantity of water. When we are going to touch the beaker, we can feel warmer. Okay. Now, what is the meaning of combination reaction? When two or more substance elements or compounds combine to form a single product. These reactions are called combination reactions.